If social situations often feel draining, terrifying, or like something you simply endure, you're not alone in this. Social anxiety is incredibly common, but it doesn't have to control your whole life. Today, we'll actually unpack this challenge and develop a personalized toolkit to help you manage it and thrive socially. Understanding social anxiety. It's not just shyness. Social anxiety goes beyond feeling shy. Here are the key signs that you're suffering from social anxiety. Intense fear, disproportionate to the actual risk of most social situations. For instance, worrying for days before even a party. Physical symptoms, rapid heartbeat, sweating, feeling faint. The fear of these symptoms happening makes it even more worse. Anticipatory anxiety, the dread you experience even thinking about an upcoming events make daily life hard for you. Avoidance, skipping out on things you want to do or turning down opportunities due to fear. Harsh inner critic, that voice telling you that everyone is judging and will think that you're an idiot. The vicious cycle. The more you avoid them, the scarier social situations would become and the more your confidence suffers. Breaking this cycle takes consistent effort, but it's incredibly possible. Three-pronged approaches. Mindset shifts. Challenge the critic. Notice negative thoughts and replace them with more neutral options. Normalize anxiety. It's a human experience, not a personal defect. This self-compassion is your key. Focus on the small wins. Did you make eye contact with someone? Celebrate that rather than ruminating on a stumble. Exposure step by step. Gradual is key. Start with what feels slightly scary, not overwhelmingly so. Going to a coffee shop alone might be your starting line. One thing at a time. You have to focus on the task at hand, not the swirl of fear. Pay for your drink, find a seat. These are your small victories. Stay with it. The urge to flee will be intense. Ride the wave. It will subside, proving that yes, you can handle. Tools to manage physical symptoms. Deep breathing. Focus on long, slow exhales to signal to your body that yes, it's safe. Grounding. Use your senses. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you can hear, and 2 things you can taste, and 1 thing you can really smell. Medication if it's needed. In conjunction with therapy, this can help severe cases. There is no shame in getting any medical help. Let's have an example. Your goal is to give a work presentation. Weeks beforehand, practice out loud alone to conquer initial nerves. Then practice with a trusted friend. Later, a few colleagues. Gradual exposure builds your ability to handle the real deal.